Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back to another video. We are in PALOLEM today. The weather has not been great. We came down here to enjoy some nice beach weather. It's been perfect every single day, and now we've got here, it's a bit gloomy, to be honest, nice and wet. But we are going to keep the videos alive. We have booked onto a 3-hour cooking class at Rahuls cooking school, and we're going to learn how to make some Indian food, and we're going to bring you along with us. Hopefully it should be good fun. I did one in Thailand. Thailand was always good fun, so yeah, learn about all the spices and how we cook some Indian foods. Come to PALOLEM, they said. The weather will be great, they said. It's definitely a cool place to do a cooking class. Man like Rahul. Love it. This is cool, right? We're literally in the middle of the palm trees. You've got the beach just in the background there. And somewhere along here there's a big kitchen set up ready for a cooking school. So we just need to find it. Oh, I think I've got it here. So yeah, it should be good fun. We're going to be cooking 3 curries, a side dish and a chapati. And we're going to get to eat it as well. So if I get food poisoning, I've done it to myself. Not much I can do about that, is there? So. Okay, so welcome to cooking classes with Dan. What have we got together? Kitchen, cooking spots. Nice. Rule number 1 of the kitchen. Always wash your hands.
The chicken, veg, prawns, fish, once you know how to make the sauce. So we're going to start with the palak paneer. Palak is the spinach, and paneer is the cheese that made with the cow milk. You can also do alumi or tofu instead of this one, okay? Then we'll start with the masala, which is like onions, tomato masala, and with some spices. Then we'll make the dal. Dal is a lentil. Everybody makes their own style of dal. And one side with jeera aloo. You know jeera aloo, like a potato with some cumin. Cook Southern Indian, Northern Indian, any type of curry you cook, these are the main spices that you will have to have. Okay. This is the cumin seeds. You know cumin seeds?
Yeah.
Mustard seeds. We call mustard seeds. Mustard seeds. Cumin powder. We call sarso. Cumin powder. Red chili powder, which is made from Kashmiri chili. I'm going to show you that chili also. Turmeric, you know turmeric, everybody? It's good for antibiotic, antiseptic, for flavor, color and everything. Coriander seeds, fresh coriander. And the center one is my homemade garam masala to go within here.
That's the delivery I like to see.
Anybody, this is a beer, want to order some? This is a 100 rupees for one beer. Some छोटा है बड़ा है? छोटा है. Small beer is there. Fridge में रख दो. Whenever you want, you can go for it. Okay. Tamarind. Okay. When we make some local food, like local it means like in Goa, lots of seafood. It's very less vegetarian dishes, but lots of seafood. When I do something with the seafood.
Yeah, fish curry, yeah.
Right. Yeah. So we have the curry leaves also. Anybody, do you know curry leaves? Something you cook from southern India, maybe from like a chutney we're going to use today. We're going to make 2 different types of chutney. One is a fresh coconut, one sweet and spicy tamarind chutney.
I'm gonna go fucking ballistic. Get a grip!
How much? Quarter.
Yes, chef.
Are we adding onions?
Straight away garlic, straight away garlic. Quick time.
Garlic.
Yes, chef. And now onion, chef. Onion, chef.
Yes, chef.
Chef,
Yes,
onion.
chef. Yes,
Chef, I need the onions.
Yes. It's coming. Oh my God. You're shouting at me. I cannot take this anymore. Okay.
Sprinkle, yeah, sprinkle.
Yes, chef. Yes, chef. Some spinach in it.
What are we cooking here, chef? Do you have any idea?
Potato something. What's this called?
Sagal.
Sagan.
Authentic dish, guys. Potato something.
Vegan version.
Vegan version, nice.
Yeah.
Why not salt?
I prefer
No. No salt, chef, yeah?
The garlic plain. Anytime you may want to make bread, the chapati is easy one, yeah? So this is about 2 cups of whole wheat flour. This is not the white, it's a whole wheat.
Whole wheat.
Okay. Start with 1 cup of water and make the dough to rolling consistency. Right?
Can you slap it one more time like that? Yeah.
Feel the every day.
One up, one down. It's like a TikTok dance. One down.
Pan is enough hot. Whatever is normal like a pancake. How big should it be? Gently.
Try again.
You have to go ahead to the flame.
Now we're making onion bhajis.
Thinly sliced. Okay. So we're gonna add some salt and leave it for some time. And
I
it's
think you can stop.
good to make crunchy.
I don't want to waste the pan. It's still burning.
Crunchy.
Put away.
Get every last drop.
A few moments later. 2 hours later. 1 eternity later.
This is a cooked potato.
This is our veg masala that's been cooked. Section.
This one. And it's here.
Give it to me a bit.
Bhaji and the what?
Bhaji and chutney.
Yeah.
So we've got bhaji, coconut chutney. was being done. I'm hanging up the apron, guys.
I've seen one.
Yeah.
Where is that?
Where are we putting these?
It's just.
Hello. Hello, puppy dog. Hello, puppy dog. Hello, puppy dog. Hello, puppy dog. You're the best chef. You're the better chef, aren't you? You're the best chef. You're the better chef.
It used to be the Lost Hostel, now it's Mandala.
Puppy, come.
Yeah.
Cool, guys. That's going to be the end of today's vlog. Join me tomorrow for another episode of What Darby Does.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so
for
much.
coming, yeah. Hope you had a good time with us here.
Of course, man.
And
We're going to
want
put
to-
your number here.
Yes.
So people can book
make
you
sure
when they
the
come.
Rahul cooking classes, yeah.
Absolutely.
Only Rahul cooking class.
The best cooking class in all of PALOLEM.
Yeah.
Cool,
Thank
man.
you.
See you later.
Maybe.
Oh, yeah, I've got to pay. Haha, doing a runner for the show.